1800 watts to each sub. I actually need 2 more amps so I can triple the power because I have 4.
Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. What's up, man?
What's going on? How you doing?
Having fun? Yeah, man. Demos.
Yes, sir. It's going all day.
I like that. Looks
Thank
good.
you. I got a charging line right now, but yeah.
It's all good. Could you tell me real quick your name and what's in here?
Joshua Harrison. I have 3 DB4 15s
Okay.
in a 6th order C-pillar wall.
Okay. Did you build this?
I did.
Nice. And it's sealed off. You can tell you did good.
Ish. The roof still moves so much, I'm peeling it away.
Very unique.
Thank you.
So
yeah, I wanted to do something a little different.
I haven't seen something like that. What made you do that kind of is it a 3-sub system?
This box was actually built for 2 SSA Evils, and
Okay.
they like a bigger box. The DBs like smaller boxes.
Yes, sir.
So when we calculated it out, I found out that it just needed 3.
Yep. Wow. Looks good.
Thank you.
Have you? What is your tunings on it?
Low tune is 28, high tune is 53.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm only clamping like 1800 watts to each sub. I actually need 2 more amps so I can triple the power because I have 4. I just need 2 more.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And you got your back seats?
Yeah, that was a big thing for me. This is why the wall is angled the way it is.
Okay.
So that the seat belts are actually still usable.
You got more space, but you use the corner.
Yeah.
Okay. Got it. Awesome.
I'm tripping in the highway. I got a whip in the valet. I'm the club with a few. To the point of 2. There's nothing to tree. I can roll up on the beach. On the street shit. I leave with a pound of weed underneath my hand. I don't mind it with Spanish. I said, damn it, this is too big. But like got the pesos, back for the order. I'm tripping in the hallway. I got the whip in the valet. I'm the club with a few. To the party too. But you don't have to come and you know it. I'm on a keep tree. I can roll up on the beach. Get on the street shit. Get my body on a pot of leaves with a pound of weed underneath my head. I don't mind it with Spanish. I said, damn it, this is too big. But like got the pesos, back for the order. To the border. Good thing I don't care none less than a dog, cause I can be reaching for quarters. You reach one. To the border. Good thing I don't care none less than a dog, cause I can be reaching for quarters. You reaching for something on me and then somebody go out to speak to reporters.
really well on the low end.
I don't know. I play regular music.
Regular music?
Yeah, I don't
Okay.
even play rebass very much.
No?
So.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Yeah, man, no problem.
Looks really good.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
I like it. Yes, sir. And you got your back seats?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a big thing for me. This is why the wall is angled the way it is.
Okay.
So that the seatbelts are actually still usable.
You got more space, but you use the corner.
Yeah.
Okay. Got it. Awesome.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.